Hello friends, today we have successfully done the cataract surgery and implantation of Synergy CRV Toric lens in the right eye of Sunita Prakash who came from Bhopal, and we have with us Dr. Abhishek Saraf sir who came from Udaipur, and Dr. Sargam Prakash who is orthopedic surgeon, and a very rare incidents where the Nari Shakti is is working in the field of orthopedic surgery, and we have with us Abhijit ji who is working to design the intraocular lenses. So I want to congratulate Sunita Prakash ji for successful surgery of technique Synergy CRV lens implantation, and I would like to request Dr. Sargam to say a few words. She is orthopedic surgeon now. She has done many orthopedic surgery successfully. To say few words, how orthopedic surgery is, compared to ophthalmology, is so delicate, and orthopedic. I want to say something that when I went, Dr. Abhishek, when I went to watch, one of the surgeon operation theater, so he was putting sutures, and I felt so small, that we are working on so small sutures, micro-incision surgery and micro-sutures. So Dr. Sargam, please say a few words about how are your experience here?
Overall experience is marvelous because the kind of care here, what I receive is extremely applaudable. My mother, with her, I can trust only the best. So I think Dr. Suresh Pandey ji is one of the best. I think he's the best actually. I've met him, and I was very anxious about my mother, but all my anxiety, all my issues regarding the surgery, regarding the post-op care were resolved, and we are actually very honored that he operated her, and I think she is actually very calm today. So everything has been settled very well, and it was another experience. Actually, as an orthopedic surgeon, we don't allow any attendant to see the surgery, but I think this is marvelous because you are very confident with your surgery.
Yes.
That is why he let us in and actually see the surgery. He actually allowed us to watch it live, and this is something what I feel that as an orthopedic surgeon.
Yes.
Otherwise, it is a very physically challenging field, but when it comes to ophthalmology, this field is actually very delicate, and the margin of error, I don't think that it is very high, but what I believe that you are outstanding.
Thank you, Dr. Sargam. Thank you very much. We have with us Dr. Abhishek Saraf sir, who is very high volume surgeon, and I would like to request Dr. Abhishek Saraf sir to say a few words comparing ophthalmology and orthopedic surgery.
Yes, as sir rightly said, that it's really rare combination of female orthopedic surgeon, and two, she is so much calm, and about sir, I will say I have seen him a lot of times performing live in the conferences, and now today I am with him in his OT, and that's really a marvelous experience for myself also, and of course for the patients and everyone.
Thank you sir, thank you very much. And I want to say one more thing. In Kota, I was talking to one of the orthopedic surgeons. So in Kota, most of the orthopedic surgeons, they worked as a president of IMA. So, even one time they were voting, so there was two contestants, both from orthopedic surgery. So when I was doing orthopedics, so at that time, our mentors, teachers are wonderful. He was so Dr. SKT Raja, he is no more, but he was one of the best teachers I have ever seen. And as you rightly said, that orthopedic is very, it requires extreme, care to avoid the infection, osteomyelitis and everything. So that, in ophthalmology, we have been lucky that we have moved in the era of microsurgery, and then we have intracameral antibiotics, and that is extra layer of safety. So I think it goes without saying that safety is very important, and we are lucky to deliver the best outcome with utmost safety and precautions. Thank you so much once again. एंड मैं सुनीता जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप भी दो शब्द बोलें, कैसा लगा आपको?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, काफ़ी एंशियस थी मैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था घबराहट हो रही थी, लेकिन अच्छा किया पांडे सर ने, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा मतलब फील हो रहा है।